In this video, I will show you how to connect a product catalog in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and search for Meta Commerce Manager. Click on the first link that appears in the suggestions, and then click on the Go to Commerce Manager button. Once you're redirected to your Commerce Manager page, click on Add Products. In your catalog, select Online Products from the first bar and choose the option that best fits your preferences. After you've customized the settings, click Next. You will then move on to the Tracking Connection step. Just make sure the connection box is checked, then hit Next again. For the final step, you'll upload your products. You have two options. Once you've chosen your preferred method, click Next and your catalog will now appear online on the left side of your screen inside the dashboard. And that's how to connect a product catalog in Meta Ads Manager.